Hi, it's Lisa from Lierre.ca, and today I'm going to be displaying all of the IASTM tools that we currently sell on our website. I'm going to be talking to you about what IASTM is, how it works, the pain that it can treat, the benefits, and the risks. So a lot of sports injuries, illnesses, tension, and pain can really be a struggle to deal with in our everyday lives, and it can be something that it's hard to recover from and just constantly live a normal life. So a lot of times going to a physiotherapist can be very expensive, and it can be something that not everyone can afford to do. So using IASTM tools or the Gaston technique can be something that you can implement in order to help recover your pain quicker. So what is IASTM? It stands for Instrument Assisted Soft Tissue Mobilization. So it treats any soft tissue dysfunction and with the stainless steel instruments to apply on the body. So it's basically a traditional Chinese medicine form. It's very similar to the gua sha technique. So rather than using stones or crystals, we're using a medical grade stainless steel, which never rusts. So the way it works is that you apply pressure with the stainless steel instruments, and you're applying it on the meridians to remove all of the bad qi, so the airflow out of the body. So again, this is very similar to the gua sha technique or the Gaston technique, so it can treat any sports injuries or physical injuries. So how does IASTM work? So it's theorized that scraping the tissue can cause microtrauma to the tissues that are affected in this region. So basically, how IASTM therapy works is that when you use these medical grade stainless steel tools, as you scrape it on the applied area, it basically removes all of the dead soft tissue cells. And as you scrape it, it will regenerate newer skin cells faster. So it shortens your recovery time and is more painful in the moment, but over time, you will feel decrease of pain. So what can IASTM treat? So it can treat different types of pain like back, neck, and shoulder pain, golfer's elbow, tennis elbow, and other conditions like fibromyalgia, tendonitis, and hip pain as well. Some of the many benefits that come with using IASTM tools is that you have faster recovery time, practically no pain once you're done with this, and you also have decreased scar tissue formation. So along with some benefits, there are some risks that can be associated with using IASTM tools. So it can cause redness on the skin where the treatment took place, bruising, worsening of pain, or failure to provide relief. But it's also important to mention that you should talk to your doctor before performing any other tools or techniques such as IASTM beforehand, because everyone is different and everyone should treat their pain differently. So here we have the 4-piece set of the IASTM tools. So as we see here, the bigger tool is just to treat the back areas because it's larger and you have place to put your hands here and you can use it on your back. And then this piece here is better for smaller parts of the body, such as your legs or your arms. And here we have the smallest tool out of the 4. So this is great for very small areas. It can treat smaller areas of the body. And here we have another IASTM tool as well. So as you can see that the crevice here is a lot bigger than the other one that I had previously mentioned. So this is also good for smaller to medium-sized parts of the body. Here we have the IASTM tool with the 3 holes, so it kind of has more of a duck shape. So here, when you apply it to the body, you can put your fingers in the hole. So this helps to apply more pressure to the desired area that you want to treat, so it can help put more pressure in order to recover faster. The next piece that we have here is the S-shaped stainless steel tool. So this is great for smaller parts of the body, like the legs, the arms. So this can help treat pain as well. Next one that we have here is more of a handheld tool. So this one as well has another hole here so that you can apply more pressure to the desired area. And lastly, we have our best-selling kit here. So this is also a 4-piece set. So we have this bar here that you can use for the back or legs. And then we have these 2 pieces here. So these are great for smaller parts of the body as well. So you can use this on your arms, legs. And this tool as well, the last tool here, is great for the back or your legs and your calves as well. So all of the IASTM tools that you've seen in this video are available to purchase at Lierre.ca. So again, all of these tools are medical grade stainless steel. They can help you relieve all of your pain that you suffer either from sports injuries or injuries that you may have from the gym or other bodily conditions. So thank you for watching. We hope that you learned a lot from this video.
Peuvent amplifier votre amplitude de mouvement. Pas l'extensivité.
Everything no that action.
Oh my.
So along with benefits, there are some risks that can come with using IASTM tools. There's not risks, it's benefits.
Ben là.